Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we can explain about the ChatGPT. In today's digital age, social media platforms have become an integral part of our lives. From connecting with friends and family to promoting businesses, these platforms have a wide range of uses. We will be comparing the user base of 4 popular social media platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, and ChatGPT. We will be focusing on which platform has the fastest growing user base. Google. Google is the world's largest search engine and one of the most popular websites on the internet. With over 3.5 billion searches per day, Google has a massive user base. However, it is important to note that Google is not primarily a social media platform and its user base primarily consists of people using it for search and other services. Facebook. Facebook is the world's largest social networking platform with over 2.8 billion monthly active users. The platform has been around since 2004 and has seen steady growth in its user base over the years. However, in recent times, Facebook has faced criticism over its handling of user data and privacy, which has led to some users leaving the platform. Instagram. Instagram is a photo and video sharing platform that was launched in 2010. The platform has seen a rapid increase in its user base and currently has over 1 billion monthly active users. Instagram's popularity can be attributed to its focus on visual content and its integration with other Facebook products. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It is not a social media platform, but it is a powerful tool for natural language processing tasks such as text generation, translation, and summarization. Its primary use case is for developers to use it for their own applications. In just 5 days, it makes 10 million users, it makes record of all time. In future it beat the Google. In conclusion, all of the platforms mentioned have a large user base, but Instagram has the fastest growing user base. Google's user base primarily consists of people using it for search and other services. Facebook's user base has seen steady growth over the years but has faced criticism over its handling of user data and privacy, and ChatGPT is a powerful tool for natural language processing tasks, but it is not a social media platform. On ChatGPT, the revolutionary language model developed by OpenAI, we'll be discussing what ChatGPT is, how it works, and the potential impact it could have on the world of natural language processing and beyond. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that has been trained on conclusions dataset of text, allowing it to generate human-like responses to prompts. This makes it an ideal tool for a wide range of applications, including language translation, text summarization, and even creative writing. How does it work? ChatGPT uses a neural network architecture known as a transformer, which allows it to process large amounts of text and understand the underlying relationships between different words and phrases. The model is also fine-tuned on specific tasks, such as answering questions, which allows it to generate more accurate and relevant responses. And we can see what potential impact makes. The potential impact of ChatGPT is huge. It could lead to more efficient and accurate language translation, improved text summarization, and even the creation of new forms of creative content. It also has potential applications in areas such as customer service, where it could be used to generate automated responses to customer inquiries. Conclusion: ChatGPT is an exciting new development in the world of natural language processing and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. We hope you found this video informative, and if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, be sure to check out the resources provided by OpenAI. Thanks for watching.